Good evening, VV Nation. My name is Ryan and welcome to the channel. It is my pleasure to give you tonight's presentation. As you can see over here, coal is now the #1 industry in the VectorVest software. I've been a huge promoter of coal over the last month and a half now. Even did a video on it last month showing some reasons why I'm currently bullish on coal. Went into some news articles and look at a channel that was developing within the industry graph itself. Well, in tonight's video, I'm not going to bring up any news articles. If you want to take a look at those, just take a look at our VectorVest channel and you can see that video from last month. Now, in tonight's presentation, we are going to take a look at the industry graph of the coal space itself. In addition, I'm going to give you my top 5 picks to make money in this market. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, stick around and let's get started. All right, right behind me, I do have the industry graph up of the coal space. This just takes all of the coal stocks that we're currently tracking in our database and averages them together. So that way we can get a sense of a collective movement. Now, this time frame does look over the last year and a half. You can see the channel lines I drew here right around 31.84 to $2, and the bottom of that channel was right around $25. We can see price action here breaking the bottom of this channel, breaking back through this channel, and a lot of momentum to the upside, bringing another breakout to the upside of this channel. Now, this breakout occurred back in August. I did make a video on this, like I said, so if you want a little bit more insight on that breakout, definitely check out that video. Now, in addition, I did suspect that would be a retest of this channel support line here. However, price action did find a support at 31.19 created by these tops back in December of 2022 and August of 2022. However, since reaching this level of support here, buyers coming in strong. So let me just zoom into the last month. We could see nice green bullish candlesticks here. Even today's price action, no sellers in sight here. Nice strong bodied candlestick. So I like this right now. 3-day is back above the 8-day exponential moving average, showing momentum to the upside. We can get some resistance at the prior swing high at around 35.29. So if you're more conservative, I'd like to see that high taken out. However, if you're more of a swing trader, we have the momentum on our sides as of right now. Thus, just put in some stops to manage these positions going forward. All right, VV Nation, here's my top 5 picks. I've got a great list, some strong candidates to play the coal space. In that list, we do have Hallador Energy, Consol Energy, Alliance Resources, Natural Resource, and Next Tracker Inc. So of these stocks, some things I really like about them right now, if we take a look at the percent PRC, look, they're all up today, showing us that momentum continues to the upside. Now, in addition to that, 4 out of 5 of these stocks currently have a buy rating. So let's break these down, just comparing price to value. Starting off with, if we take a look, they're all undervalued except one, which is NXT. Currently is trading at 37.46, so it is slightly overvalued compared to our metrics at 35.79. And if you're not familiar with our valuation, it's just what we currently feel a stock is worth. Now, if we take a look at RV and RS, these are our fundamental indicators here. Most of the ratings are above 1, which is a positive sign. Now, we do have some chinks in the armor when it comes to the RS or relative safety. 3 out of 5 of these stocks do have a RS below 1. So this list in general may not be for the more conservative investor. This is more of a prudent approach with RVs above 1 and some of the RSs below 1. Now, if we take a look here, the one thing I really like about this, look at the RT relative timing. This is the short-term price trend and looks at the magnitude of that trend. Because the RT rating is above 1, that short-term price trend is up. And look at these ratings here, 1.8, 1.8. The lowest one in the list is at 1.14. So this group of stocks here has a lot of momentum to the upside right now. Now, in addition, the last thing I want to show you before we get over to the graphs is look at the GRT, which is the ability for the stock to grow its earnings. That's its growth rate in earnings here. The lowest one in the list is at 22% NRP, but look at these, all great numbers. So this is just a great list of stocks to play the coal space with this momentum behind us right now. So let's jump over to the stock graphs and see what the charts are trying to say. First one on the list is HNRG or Hallador Energy. Nice lower left, upper right price action, just hit a new high today. We can see the momentum continues. 3 is above the 8-day exponential moving average. No level of resistance in sight. In addition, this stock has doubled in price since its low of around just below $8 over the last 6 months. So let's go to the next position here. We have CEIX, another one that's just running for the hills right now. You see a lot of momentum to the upside. 3 is currently above the 8-day exponential moving average. Therefore, just hit a new high today. No resistance in sight. Really like this position here. And if we go here, we got ARLP. This one just hit a new 6-month high as of yesterday. That high currently sits at 23.25. And you can see a level of resistance in play there. So I'd like to see this resistance taken out if you're not already in this position. If you are in this position right now, just protect profits. 3 is above the 8-day exponential moving average, so nothing to really be concerned about at this moment. However, the markets can change. So let's go to the next position. We got NRP here. Look at this, from nice lower left to upper right price action. It was just above $45. Now it's just over $78. Now we did get a recent high here back on 29th of September at $81.48. I'd like to see that high taken out from a more conservative approach. However, if you are more aggressive, the 3 did just cross above the 8-day exponential moving average as of yesterday. It did gap up today. Thus, that momentum is starting to pick back up once again. Now let's go to the next position here. We've got NXT. This is the last stock on the list here. You can see this one having a little bit more trouble just getting out of this sell rating here. The reason why I like this one is because it's not at a high. I know a lot of people don't like buying stocks that are hitting new highs. I personally don't mind as long as I got some good stops in place to capture that momentum. However, look at this nice, strong, bullish candlestick today. Very little selling pressure. We do have a level of resistance here at 37.53. Now, I'd like to see a close above this level of resistance before jumping into this position. However, everything looks good here. Now, if this momentum does continue to the upside, the next level of resistance doesn't coming in until around $40.46. All right, VV Nation. Not only did I hope you find some entertainment from this video, but I really just want you to make some money. I always want you on the right side of the market, so I try to present opportunities. Again, I do the work so that way you can reap the rewards. Now, if you did like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Otherwise, if you do want to hear more content that's in this field, hit the notification bell icon so that way you can be alerted. Good night.
Hey, VV Nation. One of the most important books that I've ever read in regards to the stock market was written by our founder, Dr. Bart Delito, the founder of VectorVest. The name of the book is called Stock Strategies and Common Sense. It will give you everything that you need to know about how the market works, the cycles, how to value stocks, and it's very well presented so that you can better understand and get a better understanding of how the market works. Folks, you simply need to go to www.vectorvest.com/YT book to get your free edition of Stock Strategies and Common Sense. Folks, you want to do that right now.